guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I make up my couch bed storage in my living area for guests when they stay. I had a guest stay recently and she stayed on this couch bed storage for the first time. We decided not to film it because then we'd have to set up all the cameras and stuff, and it was friend time, so we were hanging out and not worrying about filming. I decided to put it all back and then take it all out. That's what the video is about. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right. This video, I'm not going to be talking much. I might put some text on the screen because this actually takes a long time to do in the beginning. So I'm going to get started right away. These go underneath the end because it's a tri-fold. Alright, now blowing this up takes quite a while. A lot more to blow it up than it does to let the air out. So we're gonna be a minute. Now that it is fully blown up, we are going to put our sheet on, the fitted sheet. So, there you have it, my guest bed. It takes a lot more time putting it up than it does putting it down. The guest that stayed on here said that she was comfortable during the night. This did not get in her way because she slept from here to here. So if there was two people sleeping in this bed, I would definitely put this down. But for one guest, I can just put it up and not have to worry about putting this down and moving all the stuff underneath it. There's another one of these in my office that I have not used yet and that I have not even tried putting any of this stuff on, but there's another bed set inside the couch bed storage in the office. It's comfortable here. It's super comfortable on this bed. As this goes down, you're gonna wanna keep the whole bed flat. After it's done, fold it back up. Some air still in there. That's supposed to go flatter. Vacuum. These two we're gonna put underneath here. Come on, Rox. Woo! Then we just have to put back these odds and ends things, and then it is complete. Not so bad, right? These two couch bed storages is what I chose to put in my tiny house for guests when they stay. I chose two of them just in case two different couples or two sets of different people were staying in my house along with me at the same time. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click that notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. The tent that you have to store in another spot, which could be a shed, but now that I have no box for that bed. Yeah, so how fun was that? It was fun in my opinion because it's the first time I got to use my couch bed storage. This is actually the second time I'm putting it together. No, actually the third time.